Hello, my friends. It's wonderful to see you. Remember to click subscribe and hit the like button for more adventures. Get your mat ready, take a big breath, and let's get started. All right, let's go. Sphinx pose. Lie on your belly, place your forearms on the mat, and gently lift your chest, broadening your collarbones. Breathe slowly and evenly. Toe squat. From kneeling, tuck your toes under and sit back on your heels, keeping your spine tall to stretch the soles of the feet and toes. Breathe slowly and evenly. Cat-cow. From tabletop, gently alternate between rounding your spine for cat and arching your back for cow, moving with your breath to warm up the spine. Breathe slowly and evenly. High lunge. Step 1 foot forward, keep the back leg straight and strong, bend the front knee and lift your torso with arms reaching overhead. Breathe slowly and evenly. Sleeping pigeon. From pigeon pose, fold your torso down over your front leg, resting your forehead and softening the hips for a deeper, more restful stretch. Breathe slowly and evenly. Locust pose. Lie on your belly, reach your arms back, and lift your chest, arms and legs off the mat using your back muscles. Breathe slowly and evenly. Reverse warrior. From warrior 2, slide your back hand down your back leg and reach your front arm up and back, keeping the front knee bent. Breathe slowly and evenly. Garland squat. Stand with feet wider than hips, turn toes slightly outward, and sink your hips down into a deep squat, bringing your palms together at your chest. Breathe slowly and evenly. Standing quad stretch. Stand tall, bend one knee, and grab your ankle behind you, keeping your knees close together as you lift your chest. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pigeon pose. From downward dog, bring one knee toward its wrist. Slide the back leg long and fold your torso over the front shin for a hip stretch. Breathe slowly and evenly. chair pose? Stand with feet hip-width apart. Bend your knees and sink your hips back as if sitting in a chair. Lift your chest and reach your arms overhead. Breathe slowly and evenly. Low lunge. From hands and knees, step one foot between your hands, lower the back knee and lift your chest, stacking the front knee over the ankle. Breathe slowly and evenly. Bound angle pose. Sit tall, bring the soles of your feet together, and let your knees open out to the sides, holding your feet or ankles. Breathe slowly and evenly. Warrior 3. From standing, hinge forward and lift one leg back, forming a straight line from head to heel with arms reaching forward or back. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pyramid pose. Step your back foot in slightly, straighten your front leg and fold over the front thigh, keeping your hips square. Breathe slowly and evenly.
Wonderful job, my friends! You moved with such grace today. If you had fun, please like the video and subscribe to join our team. Invite your friends to practice next time. Big breath in, smile, and relax. See you soon. Bye-bye.